Birth! Hi, this is Firestarter, and this is my review of the SH Figuarts Masked Rider or Kamen Rider Birth. And it's noticeable that he still follows the Figuarts box for the whole Kamen Rider O's toy line, but instead of using the name Masked Rider, they actually used Kamen Rider Birth. And instead of core medals, he uses cell medals. Ergo, the picture over here is the cell medal SH Figuarts, and just plain gray-green circles on the side. Picture of Kamen Rider Birth, Masked Rider Birth, Basumi Birth, and again pictures of Kamen Rider Birth at the back. Nothing much. Bottom numbers, Bandai. But I'm not talking. I don't know what I'm talking. So let's open Kamen Rider Birth and let's see the contents of the figure. Now I'm just cluttering all the accessories for Kamen Rider Birth. He has the open hand or open slice hand. He has two. And just two extra holding hands, and no extra detail on it because it seems like it's an ordinary glove, and an extra head with the painted eyes on the sides of Kamen Rider Birth instead of a compound eyes, which it's a first for the SH Figuarts line to have this kind of material on Kamen Rider Birth. There's no compound eyes, no translucent plastic, only on the head. Yes, it's translucent and you can see the details underneath the translucent plastic. This is the cell pod, and this is detachable to any other sides of Kamen Rider Birth. There's a Birth Buster. The cell pod goes anywhere. There are a lot of pegs and holes and slots for this Birth Buster, so you can place the cell pod in any position that you want, just like on the show. See, Birth pod on top. How? There. See? And the middle of this part of the cell buster is again translucent plastic. They try to make it similar to the show. The cell pod itself is painted in metallic silver with additional lines, gold lines over here. That's it. It really looks like the cell buster. Let's go through the figure and I'll give you a quick judge on Kamen Rider Birth SH Figuarts. Kamen Rider Birth. He has a really long neck which irritates me. It looks funny and he looks like a giraffe if you ask me. Head articulation points first before we bash this SH Figuart. Head, neck joint, freely see how awkward that could go. Shoulder pads, flip up and down, shoulders, rotate, double jointed elbow, swiveling hand, hip joint, double jointed knee, which is kind of good because we can fold really well. And a hinge, foot design, or Kamen Rider Birth, and it's free flowing, free moving. There's no problem with the articulation point. It's just that the first thing you'll notice about Kamen Rider Birth is the neck joint. It's kind of surprisingly long for a figure or for a character like Birth. Translucent plastic, since he doesn't have the compound eyes, is this plastic, shiny plastic over here, translucent, and then inside is green paint and silver apps inside. It goes through and through from the shoulders, arms, chest, the other side, at the back, and points here on the hips, shins, and that's it. And the belt is an open Birth driver. It's already open, and you can actually put your finger in the middle so you can feel more on the texture of the belt. Nothing much. Hips and waist articulation, usual. Torso, that is it. I don't know why you can press this. Maybe when the accessories, additional accessories for the scorpion thingy comes through, or it is on sale. Once it goes on sale, it will make sense on how the scorpion would fit all through Kamen Rider Birth. Other than that, he does look plain. And I had a high expectation of Kamen Rider Birth. All we have is two pairs of hands, an extra head here, and the Birth Buster. That's it. My verdict would be, if you have the OCC version of Kamen Rider Birth, then you have a winner already. I did review Kamen Rider OCC version of Kamen Rider Birth, and because it already has the scorpion and all the other parts for Birth, you already had a winner. The only difference would be with the SH Figuarts and the OCC are the additional details on the texture. There are no loose joints, which I'm glad, and that's it. If you already have, like I said, if you already have OCC Birth, then there's no need to get this one anymore. Or if you have Birth and you have the OCC version and the SH Figuarts, try to swap all of the accessories if you have like money to spend to get the same toy. Nice figure to have, but not really exciting. That's it. So if you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video, and do subscribe to my blogspot for the full written review. This is Farstarter. Thank you very much, and until the next one. Quick! Let's do this quick before the song finishes. Wow! Hold. Cello basto.
心に従わない諦める理由ないはず夢の方が俺を突き放して消えてゆく